Good morning, student. How are you? I think all are fine. Yes. Now, again, you open your computer book. What we will learn? Chapter 6 Introduction to MS Paint. Yes, today's select new topic. So, open page number 60 Rectangle Tools. The rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles and square. To draw a rectangle, follow these steps. रेक्टेंगल टूल का यूज़ हम रेक्टेंगल्स एंड स्क्वायर को ड्रॉ करने के लिए करते हैं एंड व्हेन वी ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल एंड स्क्वायर वी यूज follow these steps. Step 1, select a rectangle tool in the shapes group on the home tab. Yes, look here at the picture. Here is a home tab. In look here, how many shapes are there? Many types of shapes is there, na? So we will take only rectangle shape. Next, select the thickness and color of your choice for the outline of the rectangles. If you want to draw colored rectangle, you use the colors. Step 3, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Yes. After that, you will come in void blank area. It is called drawing area. And step 4, drag the mouse pointer to draw a rectangle. Yes, when you put the mouse pointer in one place and click the mouse button, left button precisely to hold shift key while dragging, you draw rectangle and square. Next, oval tool. The oval tool is used to draw ovals and circles. To draw an oval, follow these steps. Yes, if you want to draw oval and circle, you choose follow these same method. Yes, take the oval tool from home tab and follow these steps. Step 1, select the oval tool in the shapes group on the home tab. Step 2, select the thickness and color of your choice for the outline of the oval as usual. Step 3, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. And step 4, click and drag the mouse pointer to draw an oval. To draw a circle using the oval tool, press and hold the shift key while dragging. Next is rounded rectangle tool. If you want to draw rounded rectangle tool, it means there is no corners. Corners are in rounded shape. To follow these steps, the rounded tools is used to draw rectangles and square with rounded corners. To use a rectangle with rounded corner, follow these steps. Step 1, select the rounded rectangle tool in the shape group of the home tab. सबसे पहले होम टैब में जाके हम राउंडेड रेक्टेंगल टूल को चूज़ करेंगे. फिर स्टेप 2, सेलेक्ट द थिकनेस एंड कलर ऑफ योर चॉइस फॉर द आउटलाइन ऑफ द rectangles. There is follow same method in rectangle tool and oval tool. Now open. Yes, page number 62. Step 3, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area, and step 4, click the drag the mouse pointer to drag a rectangle with rounded corners. Next one, polygon tool. The polygon tool is used to draw closed shape and polygons. To draw a polygon, follow these steps. Yes, polygon shape जो होती हैं उनमें उसको ड्रॉ करने के लिए देखिए हम क्या स्टेप यूज़ करते हैं. स्टेप 1, select the polygon tool in the shape group on the home tab. Yes, there is a home tab. Many type of shapes are here. Choose the polygon tool and draw it. Yes. Step 2. Select the thickness and color of your choice for the outline of the shapes. It's the same method. Follow the here. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. And step 4. Click and drag the mouse pointer to draw a line and then release the mouse button. Yes. You come to the drawing area and click that and drag the mouse pointer. Mouse pointer it means cursor. To draw a line and then release the mouse button. Step 5. Keep clicking at points where you want additional side of the shape of appears. Keep clicking at point it means जहाँ पे आपको एडिशनल साइड्स को बनाना है, ड्रॉ करना है, वहाँ तक आप उसको ब्रश करके लेके आएंगे फोल्ड करके, तो आपका ये पॉलीगॉन शेप बन के आ जाएगा. नंबर 6. डबल क्लिक टू एंड. पेंट विल ऑटोमेटिकली क्लोज द शेप्स. यस. डबल एंड जब ड्राइंग पॉलीगॉन टूल पॉलीगॉन शेप ड्रॉ हो जाएगी और लास्ट में जब उसको आप डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो आपका ये पिक्चर एंड हो जाएगा और अपने आप क्लोज शेप ऑटोमेटिकली बन के आ जाएगी. अ पॉलीगॉन इज अ क्लोज शेप्स हैविंग 3 or more sides. For example, triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, and so on. Yes. Page number 63. Curve tool. Curve tool, देखिए polygon tools are close and curve tools are not close. It is not ended. The curve tool is used to draw a smooth curved line. You can make only 2 curves for a line. To draw a curved line, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the curve tool in the shape group on the home tab. Step 2. Select the thickness and color of your choice for the outline of the curved line. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. It is repeated same method. Yes. Step 4. Click and drag the mouse pointer to draw a line and then release the mouse button. Step 5. Click at the point where you want to add a curve and draw the line to adjust to curve. Step 6. Repeat the previous step to draw the second curve. Yes. Look at the picture. Here is some curve tools. Now open page number 64. Fill with color tool. Yes. The fill with color tool is used to fill colors in the closed shape. To use this tool, follow these steps. Yes. Look here at the picture. Fill with color. Here is show. You take this tool from home tab. It is a type of bucket. Yes. Whenever you click it, whole place are colored. So when we use this tools, we choose a polygon tools, yani closed shapes, because when we use open shapes, so then we click here for curving. Our whole area is colored, so follow use these tools for this step. Step 1. Click the fill with color tool in the tools group on the home tab. fill with color tool जो है home tab से choose करके. Step 2. Select the color you want from the color plate. Yes, what whatever color you want, you like, you choose here. And step 3, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area and again come here in drawing place. And step 4, click inside the shape in which you want to fill the color. The shape will be filled with the select color. And whenever we will click here, the shape with color these. Here is two type of pictures. Figure 1. Here is a square shape. You look here. These shapes are closed in all sides. When we click the fill with color tool here, there you'll find here green color, and when we will fill the color in her eyes, we will click the inside her eyes, so we will find the blue color. And look, next steps, here is figure 2. Here is a circle, but it is not closed. So whenever we will click here fill with color tool, all blank area also colored it pink. Next one, pencil and brushes tool. The pencil and brushes tools are used to draw line and curve with a free hand. You can draw any shape or write anything with free hand using these tools. Yes, we will also draw the pictures, any type of pictures like that, flower, house, boat, anything you want and you like. So for example, if you want, if you draw a picture of house, you choose a first you choose a pencil and come to the and take line tool and come to the drawing place and draw a rectangle. Again you took the shape of triangle. In these tools helps you draw a house, and if you want rough it, you choose the eraser tool, and for the coloring you choose the brushes. Other a different color, you choose a different color, so you choose a brush tools and take colors from the color plate. The brushes tool creates soft strokes of color, whereas the pencil tool create hand aiding lines. Yes, now we will stop this chapter here, and next topic we will learn in next classes. I hope you clear all the views, and if you want any problem, you contact with me. Yes, thank you.